What if I told you that the most powerful threat to Trump's agenda right now wasn't the courts and wasn't Congress and wasn't even the next election? And it's definitely not something happening in Washington, D.C. Something that they can't regulate, they can't ban, and they cannot fully control. And if you learn how to use it, starting today, you can build real power exactly where you are. Not someday, but right now. And before we go any further, if you're already sitting there thinking, I don't want to just understand this, I actually want to do something about it, I want to invite you to book a complimentary consulting call with us here at the Ripple Effect Institute. On that call, we'll help you move from awareness into action and identify your next best step based on where you are right now. The link to book that call is below. If you're new here, hi. I'm Elizabeth Cronise McLaughlin. I'm a lifelong activist, a former human rights lawyer, and for the last 15 years, I've worked with leaders and organizers who know that they're here to make a difference, but aren't always sure how to turn that into real impact. This channel exists for one reason: to help you move from I know something is wrong to I know exactly what to do next. Let's start with where most people are right now, because if you're watching this, you already feel it. The fear, the overwhelm, the sense that things are accelerating. Every day, there's something new. Another rollback of rights, another attack on immigrants or trans people, another headline that makes you think, how far is this going to go? And maybe, if you're honest, you've also had this thought: what can I actually do about any of this? Because what we're facing feels too big, too coordinated, and too entrenched. And in that place, most people do one of three things. They shut down, they doom scroll, or they wait. They wait for a great new progressive leader to rise. They wait for the next election. They wait until they have more time or feel more ready. But that waiting, that hesitation, that's exactly what authoritarian systems rely on. So let me interrupt that pattern right now. You do not need more information, more outrage, or a perfect plan. You need one thing. The one thing that Trump cannot stop, the one thing that authoritarian systems fear more than anything else. And here's what it is: you, in relationship with other people, taking action where you live. Now pause here for a second, because if this is already clicking for you, if you're realizing, okay, I actually don't need more information, I need a plan, this is exactly the moment to go book that complimentary consulting call at the link below. We will sit down with you, look at your specific situation, and help you map out how to turn this into real, structured action based on your time, your capacity, and what you care about the most. And we'll help you determine your next best step. You don't have to figure this out alone. The link is below. Let's talk now about why this one thing matters so much. It matters because authoritarian systems depend on one core lie: that you are alone and that you are powerless. They can influence courts, they can manipulate media, they can flood the zone with fear, but they cannot stop people organizing in small groups, neighbors taking care of each other, or communities building power locally. And the moment that you move from isolation into connection, everything begins to shift. Because power doesn't start at scale. It starts locally, relationally, and immediately. Now let's be clear about what action actually looks like, because this is honestly where a lot of people really get it wrong. What we're talking about is not leading a massive protest, going viral online, or turning yourself into a public figure. That's a myth that honestly stops a lot of us from taking action to fight back. Real action looks like inviting two people you trust into a conversation, showing up to a local meeting, joining one local effort that already exists, taking one step that connects you to others who are working for change, and then staying with it long enough for something real to build. Now, I know what might be coming up. I don't have the time. I don't know where to start. I'm not ready. But let me tell you something about this. You don't need to be ready. You just need to be willing. Because the people who make the biggest difference in moments like this are not people who have it all figured out. They are the ones who are willing to take the next step toward change anyway. So here's the simplest place to begin. Ask yourself, what's one thing that I can do this week that connects me to someone else in service of something I care about? Start there. And if you know right now that you don't want to stay in the guesswork, if you're ready to move from I care to I'm actually building something that's going to create a better future, book that complimentary consulting call with us here at the Ripple Effect Institute. On that call, we'll help you clarify where to focus, turn your instinct into a real plan, and identify your next best step so you can start actually making a real difference. This is not a generic conversation. It's tailored to you, your capacity, and what you're ready for right now. The link to book that call is below. Here's what I want you to remember. You already have what it takes to begin. All of us do. And the only question left is whether we're going to use it together to build power and fight back. Take the next step and become a part of the solution that we all so desperately need right now. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.